Try experiment with Tilzy.
In this activity, we are going to learn about the source of energy for plants, the sun and water. We complete daily observation log. And of course, to have fun.
The weather is warmer and plants grow fast. And we learned that the plants need sun and water. So here is our new experiment.
So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to grow some green beans in the cup. We are going to put some cottons in the cup and some water, and then we put green beans in there.
Put them all around so they have space to grow. And wait until the roots come out.
How is our green bean? Do the roots come out? See? You see little tiny roots?
Oh yeah, I see them.
Okay. So now we move the plant from the cotton to the soil so they can grow bigger.
Hello.
So these are the green beans that we have grown for last week, right? Since last week. So they
How many days how many days until here from when we was starting this until here?
I think it's about 7 days.
7 days?
Yeah. So now they are ready for our experiment. Do you know what plants need to grow?
Sun and water.
Sun and water. So sun and water give the energy to the plants, right? So they can grow, get strong. Oh, really?
I didn't know that.
Okay. So what happens if there is no sun, no water?
It will not grow. It will die.
Okay. How about what happens if the plant get some water but not the sun?
It will grow.
How about if another plant got some sun but no water at all?
The same thing as no water.
Okay, that
Oh
means
no, it will die still.
so you think they will die still, right? So let's do experiment then so we can see what's going to happen. Now we are writing labels for our experiment. Which cup is the lucky one that will get both sun and water? Alright.
Because all of it one water and sun and one water but no sun and sun no water and then no water no sun.
Every day we give the sun and water to the plants according to the conditions we made. We also do daily log to keep track of the growth of the plants.
So everyone is doing well today? Which one? What happened to that one?
Now it just keeps growing.
Oh yes, because it got both water and sun, right?
That one is the lucky one.
Alright, how about this one, the last one?
Ours?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks very
Very
It looks like the same thing before.
Okay. It doesn't seem like growing, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at the plants. So how is the one that have both water and sun? Day 10, they are still looking good. How about the one that have sun but no water?
Looks like it died too.
Which one looks the best? What is that one?
And what is the one that has water and sun? So this one like died already.
Oh, okay. How about that one? What happened to that one?
Still dead.
It's dead, right? Because it doesn't have any water and sun. So which one?
This one has some.
Yeah, but it still die. So between water and sun, which one do you think more important?
Thirsty and not want any sunshine.
Yeah, so the plant that has some water but no sun still living, but even though it's not like very healthy, but they are still living. Which means between water and sun, water is more important for plants, right? Because the one that have the sun, that receives sunlight but no water, is dead. Day 10, the plant that have some sunlight but no water, completely dead. The plant that received nothing, both sun and water, is about to die. The plants that received some water but no sun, they are still living. However, the leaf looks very weak, not very healthy. And of course, the plants that have both water and sun, they are growing healthily, happy.
If we put so much water, it would just grow without even stopping. Please subscribe so we could have fun together.